So as you saw that small trailer, guys, credits to Inner Sloth YouTube channel. So here's what they say on Twitter: the Among Us roadmap. What's next for us? Here are a few of our future plans. 15 players and new colors that are tan, maroon, grey, rose, banana and coral. Map 5. So they're going to add the 5th map, and they have showed us a small sneak peek at it. Well, we cannot find out anything from that. And then achievements, new roles and ways to play, Visor cosmetics and more. So guys, this is going to be awesome. These are the future updates, but in the 15 player lobby update, just the new colors and 15 players are going to come, and an art revamp update, or they say the graphics update. So I'm very excited for this, guys. It's a really nice roadmap, and the new roles such as sheriff and scientist makes me excited, guys. And even the new Visor cosmetics are really good. So let me show you all the colors that are coming in the next big update. The first color they revealed was rose. The second one is grey. The third one is tan. The fourth one is maroon. The fifth one is banana. And the sixth and the final one is coral. So guys, as you saw in that photos, the new colors are very different from the existing ones. So I'll show you the sneak peek of the new map. Well, it is this which they showed us first, but they showed us a better look at the new map. I'll show you that in a moment. Take a look at this, guys. This is their roadmap. Airship map out now, and 15 player support, new colors, graphics update coming soon, and their future plans is a 5th map. Take a look at this, guys. This is going to be the 5th map of Among Us. This is one of the rooms of the new map. Don't know which map it's going to be. And as you can see here, they have told that this is going to be a graphics update too, if you have noticed. So yeah, the 15 player lobby update is coming soon. So I'm going to tell you a possible release date, or when will they tell the release date for this update. So guys, here they give you all the information in their vlog. Here's what we have planned. Next big update will be 15 player support with new colors including rose, grey, tan and more. A slight graphics update, mobile controller support and more. Details on this coming to you sooner than you think, guys. So here they have given us a clue about what's coming and when will they reveal. They say it's sooner than you think. In no particular order, here's what we want to work on after that. A new map, which is the 5th map. It's very secret what it's gonna be on. Don't ask me, I'm sworn to secrecy. I'm bad at secrets and I would like to keep my job. Achievements for anyone who wants to prove they are pros at the game, aka not me, I'm very anxious imposter. Account linking between platforms, all your saved data and cosmetics available on your platform of choice. New roles and ways to play, very secret, or maybe I don't even know what's up. Hide and seek mode, come out wherever you are. Visor cosmetics, even more ways to fix a ship in style. Yes, it may block your vision, but at least you'll be fashionable. Consoles, Xbox and PlayStation. I get it, you want to know when. I can't tell you, I'm sorry. When I can, I will. Take a nap. At some point, I don't know. The churn of capitalism is rough. Once we can give you more concrete dates, we will. But there's a lot to be excited for in the coming months. Keep an eye out this weekend too on our Twitter or via the newsletter. There's more we have in store for you. So guys, here you can see that this weekend they are going to give us lots of information on their Twitter. We'll find out. They have lots of things in store. So yeah, they say here, see you soon. So this is what they told in their day vlog. They are going to give us more info this weekend. I'll tell you when they give us the information. So guys, that's all for today's video. This is Among Us's roadmap, which is really cool. And as you can see in the bottom, here are the new hats. Take a look at this, Visor cosmetics, which is really good. And they are adding the hide and seek game mode and lots of Visor cosmetics, account linking, achievements, and they are releasing it on console. So here's the roadmap, guys. Lots of stuff coming to Among Us in the future. Can't wait for Among Us to grow. And hope you enjoyed today's video. Like if you did, and I'll see you guys on the next video.